How to fix TikTok upload videos problem. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the upload problem on TikTok. So all what you have to do is very simple. Just go to the settings on your phone like this, and then go to the apps, and after that go to the apps again and scroll down until you find TikTok and click on it. Now right here click on force stop and then go to the storage. Now click on clear data and clear cache. Go back, click here on data usage. Make sure that all those options down here are enabled. Now go back to the wireless and networks. Make sure now to enable the airplane mode, as you can see right here. Enable it and then disable it again, and then do the same thing with the Wi-Fi or the mobile network if you have it. After that, turn off your phone and turn it on again, and the problem must be solved. If it's not, then you have another way, is you have to go to the Play Store and make sure to update your TikTok app, or you can even uninstall it and install it again. That's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching the video until the very end. See you later.